If you want to be a winner in the kitchen on game day, this is the recipe to try. Howard shows us how to make halftime bacon cheese dip in the Mr. Food Test Kitchen.
Right now and through the beginning of the year, there is no shortage of football to watch. Whether you're hosting a few friends at home or you're looking for just the right thing to take to your neighbors, I've got a tasty idea. The first thing we do is cut the top third off an oval Italian or sourdough bread. Then with a knife, hollow out the inside, leaving about 1 inch all around so the bread holds its shape. As for the top piece, in the inside that we removed, just cut it into 1 inch chunks. After setting that aside, we mix together some cream cheese, sour cream, a bunch of shredded Swiss and cheddar cheese, and finally, cubed mozzarella to make this ooey gooey delicious. Okay, now to take this over the top, we add in some crumbled bacon, a few sliced scallions, a spoonful of mustard, a shake or two of Worcestershire sauce, a splash of beer, and a little garlic powder. After spooning the mixture in our bread, we loosely wrap it in foil and place it in the oven until it's warmed through. Come halftime, serve it piping hot with the cut up bread and a few veggies, then dig in. This dip is extra cheesy and packed with flavor. And as for the cleanup, well, there is none. To get the winning game day recipe for our halftime bacon cheese dip, just go online. I'm Howard in the Mr. Food Test Kitchen, where today we found a high-scoring way for you to say, ooh, it's so good.
You can find this recipe along with a lot more good food from the Mr. Food Test Kitchen online. Just go to our website at KOAMnewsnow.com.